Hello everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome back to my study room.
This is a quiz on modal verbs would, could and should.
So let's begin.
Question 1.
The correct answer is B.
Would. Would you like some tea? Question 2.
The correct answer is B.
Should. Before you take this antibiotic, you should speak to a specialist. Question 3.
The correct answer is option A.
Could. It's very cold. Could you please turn the fan off? Question 4.
The correct answer is B.
Should. If you want to get qualified, you should study more. Question 5.
The correct answer is option A.
Shouldn't. You shouldn't smoke. It is not good for your health. Question 6.
The correct answer is option A.
Good. I could play the guitar when I was young. Question 7.
The correct answer is B.
Should. Everybody should wear seat belts. Question 8.
The correct answer is B.
Couldn't. He couldn't study, so he failed. Question 9.
The correct answer is option A.
Should. I think it's raining outside. You should take your umbrella. Question 10.
The correct answer is B.
Could not. I could not go to school yesterday because I was sick.
What's your score? Write down in the comment section below. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.